Hello guys. So today I want to solve for x and y on this expression, right? This is one of those questions that a lot of people I know that they're like, how am I going to do this? If you're in grade 10 to 12, ensure that you follow my TikTok account because there's a lot of program that I will be implementing to ensure that each and every single person between grade 10 and 12 they understand all the difficult topics there is. Remember to go and check the link on my bio. Request a data will apply for universities, colleges, and bursaries. Well, let's actually get down to this. I just can't wait to actually answer these questions. Let me tell you something. If I explain something and you don't understand, nah, it can't be. Okay, so this is y and this is x. So we actually want to determine the values of x and y. Let me tell you something. In almost all the questions, the moment you see a square root, the best thing to do is to actually remove the square root. That should be the first step. You must remove the square root, right? So you're going to square both sides so that you actually remove the square root, right? So remember, there's actually a law of exponents that actually say if you are having a to the power b, if this thing is squared, this is the same as a squared divided by b squared. So it means that you are going to square 3 to the power y plus 1, and you're going to square 32, which is going to be squared. So you're just going to say 2 times y and 2 times 2, and also you're going to square this. So we will be left with 3 to the power 2y plus 2 divided by 32 squared. Guys, ensure that you join my online classes. If you want to get a distinction, ensure that you text me and say, hey, I want to join your online classes. Get a distinction. To them, I'm too happy. One of the learners that I actually teach, he got 100 on both math and science. 100! I'm just so happy. Everyone that I teach, I always said, you're going to get 85% and above. No, now the standards have changed. All of them got 90% and above. All of them. I don't know what to call this. The Marvel effect. Okay, so you'll actually be left with 96 to the power x, right? So what you actually want to do, you want to change this 32 to be in terms of an exponent. So you come to your calculator and you're going to say, what is 32 equals sign shift? It is 2 to the power 5. So 32 is the same as 2 to the power 5, but this 5 will be multiplied with a 2, so we're going to have 2 to the power 10. So it means that we're actually having 3 2y plus 2, that actually equals to 2 to the power 10 equals 2. Let's actually look at 96. Let's change it. 96 equals to shift fact. Okay, so 96 is actually 2 to the power 5 times 3. Remember, there's actually a law of exponent that say if you are having a times b x, this is the same as ax b to the power x. So in other words, since this thing was actually multiplied by x, it means that this is going to be 5x and this is going to be x. So we need to get rid of this fraction. Get rid of it! I don't know why I'm happy to that. I'm so happy. Oh my God, Max, you made my day, bro. You made my day. 100% on both maths and science. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not playing, wow. I'm starting to feel like I talk too much these days. I was a good boy. Okay, so this and this are the same because I don't want to be having fractions, right? And then you're gonna have 2 to the power 5x and 3 to the power x. So what you do is you are going to pair this, right? 2 and 2, you're going to equal them. 3, 3, you're going to equal them. So let's start with the 2. You're going to have 2 to the power minus 10 equals to 2, 5x. So because these are the 2's, we are going to drop them. We're going to have minus 10, that equals to 5x. So if we divide both sides by 5, we're going to have x. We're going to have what? X. We're going to have x that equals to minus 2. X equals to minus 2. We have solved one part of the problem. And then now we're going to get and say, okay, we are looking for 3 and 3 now. So we're going to have 3 2y equals to, 2y plus 2 equals to 3 to the power x. We drop them, we're going to have 2y plus 2 equals to 3. But we already know x is minus 2, right? It's minus 2. 2y plus 2. So we're going to have 2y that equals to minus 4. Divide both sides by 2. And your y equals to minus 2. Guys, ensure that you tell your classmates, you tell your friends about Marvel Tutors, you tell everyone, because I want to reach almost each and every single learner in this country. I'm just being ambitious. So I actually need your help to ensure that my dream come true. That before you guys write June exam, everyone in this country should be aware of Marvel Tutors. Otherwise, guys, as usual, enjoy the rest of your day.